Hi, everyone out there to take Donna Magazine classes. Here's an opportunity to find out how fast you can type with this typing class. Okay, now that's 59 words per minute, and I didn't do all that great because I haven't been practicing that much. 81 percent accuracy and net speed 48 words per minute. I can type much faster than that, so I'm actually going to retake the test. Okay, see if I can do better this time. Okay, now this is 62 words per minute, which is much better. 100% accuracy, 62 net speed. So I can still type better than that, but that's not too bad. That's not too bad. It's just to give you a sense that I can help you improve your typing speed. I can actually type much faster than that. But after not typing for quite a period of time under test situations, that's what it is as I do this at the moment. So enrolled today.